Okay, so what if you have a video that you want to put on your site, for example, a promotion video, and you want to put it on your website. So what we need to do that is use the HTML video tag. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do, like before, was get an example video from online. Okay, so we're gonna click sample videos right here from this website, and let's use for example this one, and then we're going to do this small size. Okay, now it's downloading. There we go. So actually this is not the right video. We chose an AVI. We need an MP4 video. Okay, because we want the most basic one. So we're going to do MP4. There we go, and then we're going to choose this one. Okay, now let's wait for it to download. There we go. It's right here, so we can download it right here. Download. Okay, so now it's downloaded, and we're going to drag it back into our VS Code. Okay, so like before with the audio, we're just going to rename this into video. Okay, and just like before with the audio, the setup of the video element is going to be basically the same, but for one thing that I'll show you. Okay, so just like with audio, we're going to write the video, and we're going to pass a source to it. The source is going to be where our video is. The name is video.mp4. It can be any name you want, but it has to end in mp4. And then we're going to specify the type, and this time instead of audio as the first part, we're going to write video. Why? Because it's a video. The type of file it is a video, and then the type of video it is an MP4 video. Okay, so actually I made a mistake. It's not right here that we pass the source. We pass the source inside the source element. My mistake. Right here inside the video element, what we pass is the width. For example, the width of the video. This is something that you don't pass for the audio. Why? Because the audio is doesn't have width or height, because it's just sound. Okay, but the video, because it's something we look at, we have to pass the size of it. So it's going to be 320 pixels, for example, or let's make it 300 pixels, and then the height will be 300 pixels as well. Okay, and then inside of the source element, just like inside of the audio source, we're gonna pass these attributes: the source of the video and the type of video it is. Okay, so just like I told you before with the audio, the source elements are there so that in case your browser can't load one source, you can potentially have multiple sources in here. For example, with another video that's a backup video, and then that video will be able to work if the first video is deleted, or if the browser can't find it, or if it can't load it. Okay, but you don't have to. Okay, for now we just only use one. Okay, so now I'm going to save the page, and now let's go back into our website and reload it. So there we go. Now we have a video, but do you see a problem? This is the same problem that would have happened if we didn't include the controls attribute inside of the audio element. So right here we need to include the controls. Let me add quotations around this as well. We need to type controls, because as you can see, without the controls, you see we can't control anything with the video. It's almost like an image, because we can't play it, we can't control it. We have no control without the controls attribute. But if we refresh it, now we can say we have the controls. You see, we can also play it. We can see the globe spinning. We can control the playback speed, make it full screen or not full screen, and then we can also change the volume, even though there's no volume inside this video. Okay, so that was videos. We're gonna move on to iframe tags next.